Tired of staring longingly at that awesome in-game item you can't afford? Well, what if I told you there's a way to turn that Steam gift card gathering dust into sweet Robux? That's right. This is your fast track to Roblox riches using your Steam gift card, even though Roblox doesn't directly accept them. Don't worry, it's easier than you think. Let's jump right in. First, head over to Amazon. In the search bar, type Roblox digital gift card. Make sure it is a digital gift card. Look through the search results and select the Roblox digital gift card with a value that matches or is slightly lower than the amount on your Steam gift card. If you cannot find that, you will need to spend the remaining amount on something else. Click on the selected gift card and add it to your cart. Proceed to checkout like you normally would. Here comes the clever part. At the payment options, look for an option to add a gift card or promotional code. Now, this is where you will redeem your Steam gift card. Open up the Steam client on your computer. Click your profile, then account details. Now, click Add funds to your Steam wallet. Then, redeem the amount from the Steam gift card to your Steam wallet. Once you have added the funds to your Steam wallet, search by Amazon gift card with Steam credit on Google. Find a trusted website that does the exchange, read their reviews, and make sure they're legit to avoid getting scammed. Follow the website instructions, complete the exchange and redeem your Amazon gift card to your Amazon account. Use your Amazon gift card balance to pay for the Roblox digital gift card. Once purchased, Amazon will email you the Roblox gift card code. Finally, head over to the Roblox website and log in. Go to the Robux purchase page and select Redeem Roblox card. Enter the code from your email, click Redeem, and boom! You've successfully turned your Steam gift card into Robux. Enjoy!